What's going on, you guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital. Thank you for tuning into my live stream. I know we're a little bit late today, but we had some stuff come up during the day. So we'll give you guys a couple minutes to get fired up, and then we're going to be recapping what happened on the markets so far. We're seeing a mixed day, of course. And yeah, so how's everybody doing today? Give me 2 seconds and we'll get straight into stuff. Oh yeah, make sure to hit that like button too. Thanks, guys. What's up, Abdallah? Hey, guys. Good to see you. Good to see you too. All right. We're in our little new studio here. Maybe I need to move myself around a little bit. 1 second. There we go. All right. So what do you guys want to look at today? Otherwise, I will be recapping all the stuff. Kiosk. Hi, smash the like button. Sup, dude? What's up, Michael? Turn up my volume a little bit. Like volume on the microphone, I'm pretty much speaking right into the microphone. So is anybody having trouble hearing me? Because by the looks of my audio, it's right in the perfect range. Otherwise, it's going to be too staticky. So let me know if this sounds all right, guys. What's up, Tom? I just sent you a message tomorrow. That time works perfectly for me. So let's do that. Turn my computer volume up. Well, it's already at, my computer volume's already at 100. I don't know, unless you're talking about the music. Okay, so the sound is loud. Okay, guys, I hope the sound works for you guys. Anyways, we're moving out of the studio and we're going to the market. So I'm gonna put myself down here, and we'll be looking at a bunch of stuff. I can hear you fine. It's just Mike's internet. Okay. Well, just turn the volume up on your computer, maybe. I hope that helps. Holy moly! I didn't see kiosk beverages go up 100%. What the heck happened? ISO deals up. This one's stock we've been watching too. Can America Brands, Choom, Golden Leaf Holdings. I haven't had much time to check in on the markets yet, but damn. Damn, that's crazy with kiosk beverages. Future Money Trends and National Inflation Association just put out a report on that company, and it's exploded. Damn, that's crazy. So anyways, Evenco, Tilray, Valens Growworks, Organogram, MedMen. MedMen's in the green ahead of the quarterly report that's coming out at 4. That's pretty awesome. IGC, after mentioning it to Aaron, I bought at 48 cents. Damn. Nice buy. Yo, what's up, Scott? Kiosk is doing great. Hello to my main man, Aaron. What's up, Papa Doc? Not much. We're a little bit late on our live stream today, but we're still here. We got to stream at least once a day. I'm not too sure if MedMen has a conference call at 4 o'clock, or you know what? Let me check that out for you guys. Let's see if they've got, what is this? Here, we'll go to MedMen, events and presentations. Second quarter earnings call. Do they give us a time though? There's a webcast. That's good to know. Event registration 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, that's perfect, guys. So if you guys want to see the second quarter earnings for MedMen, I'll definitely cover it at 5 today. You can watch the conference call, see how the stock reacts after hours. But yeah, we'll register for that, so that's cool. C21 Investments. Thanks, man. I'm happy you like the backgrounds. I had a quick question. What do you guys think about this background? It's a little tacky, but I thought it was kind of funny. Bunch of money. Because that's what we're doing here, right? But we'll go back to the markets. Whoopsies. Yuck. Yeah, it's not that great, Doug. ACB is still posting a higher. What's up, Max? What's up, Chris? Yes, that's a good idea. Display the background when I hit the money button. We're hitting the money button for kiosk beverages today because holy. What's up, Spartacus? Everybody's in the room. All my core supporters are in the room today. That's awesome. Nice to see you guys here. Let's see what's in the red today. What is selling off? Truly is selling off. Finally, I want to pick up some True Leaf, but not at these prices. Nowhere near these prices. Yield Growth Corp, Relentless, MYM Nutraceuticals. Looks like we're trending sideways after flirting with 60 cents. Always green's always good. Grass or money. Let's hit that like button, guys. Yeah, smash that like button. Just 19 likes so far. I know the stream's just getting started. It's all good. Thanks for supporting. What's up, Carla? Thanks for tuning in. Oh, gotta find the perfect spot within this green screen. There we go. We're good. Yeah, let's take a look at water. I call it water. T-God's down 2.5%. Aurora's back down below $10, down 2%. Pure Global continues to sell. Oh my gosh, there's basically a snow tornado outside right now. I'm just watching it. Wow. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Alkaline Water, Huron Life Sciences still selling off. We are seeing pretty much a red day today. So let's take a look at True Leaf. Stock's way too high still. I don't like that chart. Looks like we could come, like I'd be way happier buying the stock 12, 13 maybe, something like that. I'm missing something on HIP. Why the pullback since early January feels like a potential good trade. Rivers comes out with their quarter at 4. We'll take a look at HIP in 2 seconds. That might be a good idea. I'll take off this little blue thing. Put the DC logo. That would be pretty cool. Let's take a quick look at HIP after we look at MYM. MYM looks to be continuing the downtrend. So this is not making me too happy. Might sell off what little position we did buy at 40 cents. HIP. T-God's your least favorite stock? There, that was better volume. Alright, well maybe it's just the adjustment of the mic. We got it set to one person. So IVITF, what do you think that I hold FT networks for the win? ACB at 10.02. Yeah, Tom, so anyways, the charts are looking pretty good for New Strike brands. I mean, the 1 year chart's looking pretty good. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'd say 1 to 1. You're definitely, I'd say with a short-term target of 50, maybe 70 cents. That looks pretty cool. I've always thought about New Strike brands. That one actually looks pretty fairly valued too. Alkaline Water continuing to sell off. I'm so happy. I just want to see this stock continue to downtrend a little bit more. Like the company, want to get into the beverage market, but not at those prices still. I'll be patient. I'll let the trade go if it doesn't go to where I want it to. That's fine with me, but Nice to see it pull back a little bit more. I also want to look at NBEV. I know NBEV's had a little bit of trouble recently. You still think worth picking up some MedMen at 425? Well, if that was me right now, I mean, I personally, now this is just my opinion, always do your research. Don't buy or make your investment decisions based on me, but I definitely think MedMen has potential at 425. I think it's just getting started. I mean, if we have a good quarter, the stock could pop. But look at the long-term charts. I think we're just getting started. I mean, I've got a target of like between $6 to $8 on it. I don't know how far, how fast it's gonna go, or if it'll go there, but yeah, at these prices, still like MedMen. I think we could at least go to 6, 40 to 50% if we start to run. 6 something, hopefully. GNC and Walmart. NBEV. Naughty button for NBEV?
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
Yes, sir. I can't believe KBEV, like, pissed, but good for them. Good for them. We missed the trade, but good for them. ISO deal, is this the start of a trend reversal, or are we going to pop and drop? Thank you so much, Doug. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Every little dollar helps. $5 is awesome, man. That's really appreciate it. So I appreciate every way you guys support me. So, and it all goes back to Departures Capital to make it bigger and better and more entertaining for you guys. So all those donations you guys gave me in the past, all the times you watched my videos, made that help me make some ad revenue. I spend it on stuff like this. So you're awesome, Doug. Thank you so much. Okay. GNC and Walmart. That's pretty awesome. Chris Reed, how many successful traders with IGC this week? Got to KBEV at 0.20. That's awesome, man. You're more than triple your money. GE stock. Show your love for Aaron. Smash the like button. Yeah, smash that like button, guys. We're at 76 people. And just 30 likes. It only takes 1 second out of your day. And it helps me a lot. So, let's take a quick look at GE. Actually, you know what, guys? We have looked at the cannabis stocks. And I do want to quickly take a look at the overall stock markets. Just to see what's going on. GE is continuing that nice little run. Is that a dividend that I saw? Hold on. Thank you, Chris. You guys are what's awesome. Without you guys, there's no Departures Capital. GE killed their dividend. Amazon running hard into the close. All right, we'll take a look at that stuff. Nice. Wow, we got 10 likes in the last like 2 seconds. That's awesome, guys. Thank you. GE's making that nice bounce. I believe that the short-term price target was about $13. My break even on GE is $13. So I was looking at the 5-year chart. I forget where I bought it. I bought it somewhere back in the summer last year, and I was like, oh man, GE $13. This stock's gonna make a crazy recovery. Bam. That's the wrong button.
It's a red day today, guys.
GE had a lot of red days, and it went all the way down to $7. Didn't double down though. I'm just holding that one. So, but anyways, so for the markets, we're seeing basically flat day. Dow's down, and commodities, crude is up like crazy, gold is down, and silver is down like crazy. So, precious metals feeling it today for sure. BGRD for a sleeper cannabis play. might show up as a match. Capital resources, we can talk about it during the live stream. Yeah, that sounds great. Of course, the dollar's making a rally today. This is pissing me off. Man. The dollar needs to sell down to below 96. Like, let's go. Sideways action on the markets. You guys should be buying gold, not US dollars. Jesus. Thank you so much, Doug, again, man, my top supporter. I wish that $5 badge would stay in there for a lot longer, because you deserve to be up there for like the whole stream. Thank you so much, Doug. And yeah, I'll put that towards, of course, the stream. And I'm also designing a couple courses and stuff, like a private stock market membership group. So those are the things that I'm working on. Designing some merch off of YouTube, and yeah, we're working on a bunch of stuff, and we're trying to work with other companies too, like finding you guys those cool and interesting companies. So I appreciate everything. Thanks, Doug, and I hope I can be of help, whether it be finding a company, helping you do some research. Feel free to email me anytime. contact@departurescapital.com. I'll answer all your messages. I have a really wonky schedule, so I might answer you at 2 a.m. or I might answer you in the middle of the day, but I always answer. So, congrats to Organigram shareholders. Believes earns are due today, I think, after the market drops. Students in LA University made marijuana laboratory medication. T-God will kill it. They have a lot of money. Can you look at C21? Wait, how do we send money? You need a DC smoking device. Oh, man, Steven. What's going on, Steven, by the way? Thanks for tuning in. I always like your comments and all your stuff. You're a cool guy, too. So you just click that little... There's a little, like when you type in the chat, there's a little S beside super chat if you don't know how to donate. But... my phone's not working. So yeah. Anyways, dollar is moving up. We're gonna exit of that for a second. I just want to take a quick look at the watch list that we're checking here for 2019. We've almost got 100 people, so that's pretty cool, guys. Hit the like button. See if we can get this stream to 100. Stocks for 2019. All right, so ISO deal biggest gainer on the day up 10.5%. Wow, TransAlta Corp making a 7.7% run. Micron Waste Technologies, Vermilion Energy. Vermilion Energy is looking nice today. GT Gold, Suncor, Canadian Utilities. This is awesome. Okay, so in the down market, this is what I like to see, guys. So if you guys check my Instagram, not Departures Capital Instagram, my personal Instagram, I post a lot of the trades. So yesterday's trades of the day will show you in 2 seconds. And so far, 4 out of 5 of them are looking pretty good. I'm just gonna check and see which ones that we did, which ones that we did buy. Men Power Corporation, IQ, Extendicare, Bell, Amira, Chartwell Retirement Residences. That's another interesting stock. Brookfield Property Partners. What do you know? Barrick's down again. Electronic Arts and Activision still haven't been touching those ones. Man, 10 cents down, 1%. Let's check in on JD.com real quick. JD.com, let's see here. Probably in the red. Yep, 0.5%. That's not too bad. Not too bad. All right, guys. Doug, you're amazing, man. I appreciate every dollar. Jeez. You guys are too nice. You guys are too nice to me. We're going to give Doug a triple shout out. And I hope this is the cash button. Yes, it's the cash button. So we're hitting the cash button for Doug. Thanks, buddy. Why are we in the red today? The markets seem to be okay. So that's a good question, and I actually do have a quick little article here. So Wall Street edges lower after Lightzinger comments on trade talks. So this is probably why we're seeing a mild red day today. Wall Street's main indexes edged lower on Wednesday after U.S. Trade Representative Robert Lightzinger said the U.S. and China still had hard work ahead to reach a trade deal. So it's like, wow, Lewis. Jesus, man. Thank you so much for the $5 donation. I appreciate it. We've never even really like talked before, but that's awesome, man. If you're fairly new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I appreciate it. It all goes back towards making Departures Capital bigger and better. So shout out to Lewis for the $5 donation as well. You're awesome, man. IGC looks like it got taken off. Yeah, Lewis and Doug, two biggest supporters today. I wish I could keep your guys up there in the super chat. But hopefully I get to unlock channel memberships just as another option. Lewis dropping that cash. Yeah, we'll hit the cash button for Lewis as well too. If you want to, how do you donate? Well, how do you donate? You just, so right beside the chat button at the bottom, there's a little S in a square background. You just hit that, click on super chat, and then you can donate whatever you want. Oh my gosh, Doug. Cash button for Doug. You guys are awesome. You guys are gonna pay for my green screen. That's so sweet. Jeez. Shout out to Doug again. We're gonna hit that cash button one more time, and then we're gonna try to finish this article. What's going on with Pura? What's your target for NCNNF? Now with 20% less Russian bots. I know, man. Thank God there's no more Russian bots. I was getting concerned there that Russia was trying to take us down. Maybe I said something wrong about Putin. So, anyways, guys, let me try and finish this article. Sorry, I'm too distracted. I'm very focused on the chat, and I can't say thank you enough. So, the issues with the U.S. and China are too serious to be resolved by promises to purchase more U.S. goods, and structural changes by China is needed. They are at the first public comments of the U.S. lead negotiator since President Donald Trump said on Tuesday he would delay a self-imposed March 1st deadline. So, like I said, it's just another Band-Aid, but we need to see a real trade deal. So my thoughts on this whole trade deal were kind of like, you know, we'll see what happens, but I'm almost looking to sell the news in a sense. So if we don't plunge by March 1st, which we're not because the deadline is delayed, then sell the news. That's just my thoughts. Bart, I don't know how to say your last name. You sound Polish. Gasirowski. Good job, man. Love the channel. You made me some good money in the last month or so. Thank you so much for the $10 donations. You guys just keep getting more generous. Oh my God, Steven, do not start with those chickens. I thought you were real for a second. But anyways, back to Bart. We're going to hit that cash button for Bart. I really appreciate it. You guys are going to pay for my green screen. And what can I say? Thank you. I feel the love and support, and it's nice. And I hope I made you some good money, Bart. Let me know what you bought. Holy, what is this turning into, guys? It's a competition. Holy, this is fire up in here. You guys are something else. Doug, hit that cash button again. I don't know what to do now. I don't know how I'm going to make this better. You know what? For 2 seconds, guys, we'll just talk to you. Because Cheers. What does this say? National Nutrition. Cheers to you guys. At least this shows up in the green screen. You guys are making my day. You guys are making my day. And I thought I felt lazy for sleeping in. It's been a while. It's been a long 2 nights recently. So, make it rain. Yes, guys. You guys officially made it rain today. I really appreciate it. So, shout out to, shout out to Bart and Doug again. And we're getting straight back into our stream. We'll be checking out a few more companies. You strip, I'm out. Yes, Leo. Don't worry, man. There's no stripping in here. The only stripping that could be in the future is if I get an even larger donation, and then we'll bring out some strippers on the green screen. There'll just be one over here. One over here just like dancing. Like, I'll make her really small. I'll make her like this big. And I'll put her like in the corner. That'd be so funny. It's just like a mini stripper just like dancing on top of the whatever. Wait, how much to get this stripper up? I don't know. I'd have to like do they probably a couple $100. I don't know. But then I'd probably get banned. Well, she'd have to keep her clothes on. I don't know. This is getting out of hand, guys. That'd be hilarious. Yep, so anyways. Yeah, I don't know what to say, guys. I didn't expect this, so every dollar helps me out. So anyways, I need Oxy to do something. Throw out some good vibes for Oxy. Alright, so this is how we charm a stock. So you gotta give the cash button a little rub. And now we're gonna take a look at Oxley. Come on, Oxley. Steven's back on that. Steven, did you get hired by that Russian company to post chickens in my group? Oxley, I don't know. Oxley, it's made a little bit of a recovery. Oh my gosh. Dying here. It's definitely at its lows. I unfortunately added to Oxley at about 84 cents when it dropped because I didn't think it was going to keep dropping. And then it went down to 71 cents. Yes, Oxley, let's go. Thank you, Bart. We're going to hit that cash button again for Bart. Holy moly. Wow, this cash button really works. You guys are crazy today. But let's go Oxley. You know what? I should take all the super chats today and I should buy Oxley. But I wish my brokerage commissions weren't friggin' $10 because then instantly down 50%. It is a cash day, guys. It is a cash day. What is going on here? I'm just going to quickly give you guys a shout out on Instagram. So 1 second. Please don't leave. All right. All right, guys. So give me a quick shout out. Today's a cash day, and we are seeing some nice donations. Let's do this, guys. Yes, sir. Let's do that one more time. All right, guys. So quick shout out. Today's a cash day. We're seeing some awesome donations. Huh. All right, guys. So quick shout out. Today's a cash day. We're seeing some awesome donations. All right. All right, guys. I'll donate $100 if you call FSD. So one sec. So I just got to answer one message real quick. Are we still in the cash screen? Oh crap, we're still in the cash screen. All right, back to this. Oh no, back to the stock markets. Sorry guys, I just had one quick question, one quick message to answer, but we're back now. What brokerage does Aaron use? BMO Investor Line, RBC equals BBC. Buy a costume. Costume would be pretty funny. What kind of costume though? Drip. I'll donate $100 if you call FSD and live and make fun of their stock. Oh my gosh, it seems like heavy hitters are trying to hold down the weed stocks. What gives? CXXI. Let's actually do some work and take a look at some stocks. So CXXI. If you guys got recommendations or C21 Investments, yeah. They know it going to the moon. I mean, yeah, this one's on the chart's looking pretty good for CXXI. Does look like we still got some room to run, but definitely not cheap right now. The stock's definitely not cheap. It's definitely on an uptrend, but yeah, I would I'd almost do this as a momentum trade. I don't know if I'd do this as a long-term hold, but at $1.60, I just wouldn't go all in. I would maybe take a small position. Vertically integrated cannabis company, so range of THC and CBD. So that is cool that they're into CBDs, pre-rolled vaporizers. There's so many of these companies though, that's the thing, but stock's definitely doing very good. All right, so you know they go into the moon. So yeah, KBev, obviously we know what happened with KBev. They got a deal with GNC and Walmart. Zanga. I haven't really looked at Zanga, but it's been a popular one. I know Robinhood's giving away a lot of free Zanga shares. I don't know if that's part of their whole promotion plan, but you know what, guys? That's kind of funny. Like, you give away one free share, that share sits in your portfolio now, and then you look at the company all the time, especially you're always going to look at the company. That's actually a very smart way to market your company. You give one free share away, and then the person's going to watch it. Are they going to be more likely to add to that position? Probably. Midas letter was positive on CXXI. That's good to know. You know what's awesome? You know what's awesome? Shout out to Bart. But those $10 donations stay there for a long time. That's super cool. So that's what I like to see. Please take a look at KIO. GLH. All right, first we'll look at KIO, like that. KKR Income Opportunities Fund. 9.6% dividend. I like dividends. I love dividends. Let's see what we got here. Damn, we dipped to 13. That's not actually a big drop. I want to see what they do though. Then we're quickly going to take a look at a couple other things. Shoot. No worries, no worries. All right. Since 2016, it looks like they have a pretty good history of dividends. This fund's been pretty volatile, actually. What do they do, though? What? I can't find much about it. Did I just spell something wrong? There we go. Sorry, I just want to see what they do. Where are their holdings? If you know more about the company, please let me know. Sorry, I just want to move on to other stuff. We've got a ton of requests. PCG. How's PCG doing? I haven't had a chance to look. Pacific Gas and Electricity. Has the stock continued to recover? What's up, all? Power hour time. What's going on, DG Slots? I'll definitely be staying for a little longer. I usually start shooting market minutes at 3 o'clock, but we're going to stay for a bit longer for you guys. It's awesome, guys. We've got a ton of likes, 63 likes, 74 people. That's pretty cool. GLH, Golden Leaf Holdings. Wow, this stock's still really cheap, though. Oh, damn. This may be one to look at. I mean, it's bounced hard off $6, but in the grand scheme of things, since 2017, this stock's down like no tomorrow. Thank you. Got your like. Now we'll take a quick look at GLH. Golden Leaf Holdings. So guys, I'm going to stream the MedMen conference call at 5 o'clock. What do you guys think about that? Toss me a vote or just say that it's a good idea, bad idea. You guys will tune in. Let me know. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna, I want to check it out. So let me know if it's a good idea or you like the thought of streaming the MedMen conference call at 5. All right, cool. So hoping MedMen goes up. Yes, sir, Bart, we are too. Sweet. Well, make sure to tune in, guys. I'll be live at 5. We'll have that call fired up today. Yep, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I got the sign up right here on the website. MedMen second quarter results. So we're down 0.47% today, but we were buying below 3. Or below 3. That'd be awesome. Below 4. We were talking about that stock for a little while now, so it'll be nice to see some gains. And then for tomorrow, we'll be checking out the Tencent and JD.com earnings reports. I can't remember if they come out during the daytime or after the quarter, but we did buy both of those stocks, JD.com and Tencent. So hoping on a pop in earnings on those 2 quarters. If we go up by more than 10%, I might cut my position in half. I wanted to do kind of like a swing trade. So perfect. So I'll stay for another 10-15 minutes, and then I gotta quickly go shoot those market minutes to get them out by 5 o'clock so I can stream the MedMen call at 5. So anyways, I want to take a quick look at a couple more things. TransAlta Corporation making a nice bounce. I'm going to assume they had a nice quarter. Yep, so you guys can check out the quarter there, TransAlta Corp. The reason I didn't jump in on TransAlta is their weak dividend. 2%, but the stock went from 5 to 8. So that's an interesting one. Vermilion Energy, 8.29% dividend. This is a straight play on the Canadian oil patch. All right, sorry, man. Sorry. Golden Leaf Holdings. Hard to say. The stock is at its lows, so $79 million market cap. I don't know, man. Looks to be leveling out. Very small cap stock. Seems to kind of still be downtrending. I'd be careful and watch it. Could potentially go to 10 cents still. I'd watch for a double bottom and then try to reverse, see if it can reverse that trend. But we look to still kind of be in a downtrend, but the downtrend seems to be kind of slowing down. But yeah, watch for a double bottom at about 10-11 cents. Hard to say. I need more information. I need to do a little more research on Golden Leaf Holdings, but definitely could be undervalued at this point. So sorry I don't have more input. Vermilion Energy, we're going to close out of that one. Canadian Utilities, guys. I use a Blue Yeti mic. FSD Pharma Puration. So we're quickly going to talk about this company. This has been my #1 pick in the utility sector for the past month, and if you guys can see, we are starting to run now finally. We've been pretty much buying it for the past 2-3 months. I'd say 3 months. Been loading up on some Canadian utilities, mainly because if you look at the 5-year chart, like let's compare the 5-year chart quickly. Sorry if you're not that interested. So we'll go with the 5-year chart here. So if we compare this stock to, let's say, AQN, or let's say Aphria, or let's say Aphria is fairly similar performance, but let's say what's the other company? Fortis. Kraft Heinz. We'll get to Kraft Heinz in a second. I just want to continue this. So Algonquin Power and Utilities Co. has been the top performing stock. It's our biggest holding, but I'm not looking to add to it, just as I don't think it's undervalued anymore. So Fortis and Algonquin, two best performing Canadian utility codes. Then we're looking at Aphria and Canadian Utilities, and I just see such a huge gap. There's almost a 30% gap between, Algonquin and Canadian Utilities, and I just see the stock having a lot more potential. If the market decides to pull back, Canadian Utilities could be a very interesting company to watch. Not to mention, it's 5% dividend. So we've bought Canadian Utilities probably 4 or 5 times this month alone, just grabbing it at different prices. So the last month, it's been doing all right. Picks them up here at 33. So anyways, I'm not a pumper, guys. This is just what we do. And I'll outline all this stuff in my private stock market group that I'm currently in the process of designing. Alrighty, so Kraft Heinz. Down again, 2.73%. I don't know how low this stock will go. I mean, eventually it's gonna hit a bottom. Eventually. And they only lost 2/3 of their market cap. They only lost $80 billion off the top in the last, literally year and a half. That is crazy. We already made 5 cents on MedMen. Yes, sir. So, moving on to the next stock, Northwest Healthcare Properties Real Estate Investment Trust. So this is another stock that I'm extremely bullish on for 2019 and beyond. Fairly valued at these levels. I do think we've got maybe a 20 to 30% upside, but we've also got a 7.5% dividend paying out and a very defensive play. So just bought some Northwest Healthcare Properties REIT. This is a very long-term stock. I like retirement stocks. Those are some of my favorite stocks. Sierra Senior Living. This company has performed very well over the past little while. It's been very stable, paying a 5% dividend. It is getting closer to its range. I mean, short term we might have a 5 to 10% upside, but a defensive element and a nice dividend. So we'll see, guys. Now let's get into some more exciting stuff. MedMen's back in the green. JD.com's peeking its head into the red, down 0.7%. I didn't even mean for that to rhyme. Let's hit that naughty button. TRUL, keep selling. Man, I want to see this thing continue to sell off. I believe, what was it? We were comparing 3 companies because I don't know if it was Cure. I think it was Curaleaf. Curaleaf's that very expensive one. Curaleaf, Trulieve, and MedMen. 3 stocks to watch in the on the Canadian markets that are plays on the American markets. And for me, it's a no-brainer. MedMen is so undervalued compared to these companies, at least in terms of the stock price. The chart looks like it could keep running, but how much room does it have to run? Nice. Yeah, Curaleaf, great company. Just too high for me. That's awesome, DG. What do you do for work, if you don't mind sharing? It's nice to work from home some days. What about AUSA? AUSA. Let's take a look at AUSA. AUSA was one of the stocks that this was the fastest I've ever lost money. I've never lost money so fast on a stock before than in AUSA. You know why? Because I did not do my research. I bought it on the IPO date and it just fell like an absolute rock. Thank God I didn't lose a lot, but I remember, man, I was on vacation in Italy and I was like, oh, this is awesome. I'm going to buy this new IPO. It's going to be great. By dinner time, I was down 50%. Just looking at my phone like, is this for real? So anyways, Oxy diluted, FST, and Oxy poison had. What do you think about BIR, buddy? Thanks. Take a look in a second. But in terms of Australia's capital, I just don't know. We still hold our Australia's capital shares. It's going to be a while. This is an investment company focused on the US market. So if you're long-term bullish on the US market, Australia's capital might be one to look at. And I think Aurora has kind of just like pushed it to the sidelines just based on the stock performance. It was such a pump and dump. I hate to say that, but let's face it. If you bought this stock anywhere near its IPO, you're down substantially. Like we're talking 50% or more. No Oxy naughty naughty. Where's the clear cup? The clear cup, this does have some green on it, so check it out. It's super trippy. Look at that. Super trippy. You can see right through the cup. But the green cup's in the sink because I didn't wash it yet. And we did not cover ACB yet. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for bringing that up. ACB down 2.25%. You know, this stock has been treading water, flirting with $10 over the past couple months. $10 just seems to be that level that we just can't get above. So we'll see. If the markets get a little shaky, if we see some really heavy red days, which we could potentially, we'll see, guys, and we get back into the 8s for ACB, the cannabis sector takes some kind of, oopsie, then can't wait to buy ACB. But otherwise, we're just completely neutral on ACB and like where we're going so far. So short-term price target for ACB. If the markets stay healthy and everything goes good, I think we could, if ACB doesn't buy up the world, we could see $12. I'm not expecting any drastic moves for ACB unless, of course, we get some news like a deal. But we've been waiting on a deal for a year now. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. I do like to see them expanding into Portugal, though. Yes, I did see the Jeffries article with a $12 price target as well. So I feel like that's a realistic price target because, 20% on top of the market cap currently right now for some of these cannabis companies, that can be made as easy as having a bunch of institutional investors move into the field. 20% increase in market cap is not a lot for the cannabis sector, just as we make those kind of moves all the time. So I feel like that's how the trends go. Capital comes in and flows out a lot faster than other sectors. So 20% move for ACB in the next couple of months, up or down, I think is very, very, very possible. So we could see 12, we could see 8. I don't think, unless the market makes a huge dive, I don't think we're going to see 6 or 7. Unless ACB buys like Aphria, which I don't really think is going to happen either. So anyways, guys, 425 for water, getting closer and closer to that $4 level that I really want to see water hit. I really want to get into the CBD beverage market. So that and NBev. After this, I'm heading out, guys, because I need to shoot that video ASAP so I can jump on live again at 5 for the conference call. So we're going to quickly take a look at NBEV. Like I said, be careful with NBEV, guys. At $6, I wasn't buying. And be looking a little closer at 5. Willing to take maybe a gamble on NBEV at 5. The stock's definitely downtrending, and we'll see if it sells, how hard it sells. Could go into the 4s. NBEV still looks pretty high right now, to be honest, guys. So we'll see. Be careful. Anyways, guys, so always do your research, always do your due diligence. Don't buy anything because we're talking about it or we're buying it. This is for education and information purposes only. So for now, I'm out. You know what I'm doing. I'm going to shoot my market minute video. We're going to recap the whole markets, let you guys know why we're seeing some red, what's going on with gold, silver, currency, all that kind of stuff. Tune into my market minutes, and we'll be live again at 5 in about 2 hours, less than 2 hours, for the MedMen conference call. So I wish all the MedMen shareholders good luck. If you're looking to do a potential earnings trade, you still have 48 minutes left to buy MedMen. No, I'm not saying buy MedMen. I'm just saying sometimes when I make trades, I'll jump in right before the close if I'm confident in the company. So could be fun. It'll be interesting. I hope MedMen soars. So we'll see you guys in less than 2 hours.